Okay guys, so what I have here is a cup of grapes and a block of cheese. Now this is sharp cheddar. You can do any type of block cheese you want. Like I wanted to try this idea with the pepper jack. So what I'm doing here is literally I'm just gonna rinse this off, and then I have a knife to cut mine into half-inch cubes. So I'm just washing it off. Now I'm not gonna eat all of this. I'm only gonna eat about 8 ounces. So what I do is eyeball. So I'll just split the bowl, and then half will go into my Tupperware. Okay, so once you have that, you'll just put this to the side, and so now we're gonna focus on this. Open our cheese. And we're not gonna use this whole block, but I just wanna make some for tonight. So about this much. All right. So you just want to cut it in size, like no bigger than this, half an inch. So what I typically do is just take 3 rectangle shapes and then cut each half into 4 equal parts. And that's how I measure about 8 ounces of 4 ounces of cheese. That's how I measure 4 ounces of cheese. Okay. Alright, so that's mine, and then we're gonna make some for later on tonight. Okay, so now that we cut the cheese and everything, so like I said, this will be saved for later on tonight when I go through my little sweet attack. You just put the lid on there, and then this will be I'll be eating now for breakfast. So normally what I'll do, since I'm not a breakfast type of person, what I'll do is I'll eat a snack first, or I like this idea better to condition me so when I go to work and I know I can't eat a full breakfast, I need a snack. I can eat this on the way to work. I can eat it while I'm in the break room before I actually start my day at work. So I like this versus me trying to maintain a full diet. I mean, not even a diet, but me trying to maintain a full breakfast. So I don't want to throw off anything. So I always do this. Just eat a snack in the morning, and then that will hold me. So then probably about 10, 11 o'clock, I'll go ahead and make me a light lunch. And then later on, I just eat when I eat, because after that, I really don't be hungry. So when I know I'm not eating, just to keep my metabolism burning, what I do is just get another snack. Now, it won't be the cheese and grapes. It will be a vegetable. So that way I can kind of curve it, so I'm not eating just all sweets, because then I won't have nothing during the week. So yeah, so I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you learned something. And if you got any other snack ideas, just leave it in the comments below, or let me know, and we can just bounce our ideas off of each other. So that works. But once again, I know it'd be good. See ya. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.